Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate poster prints with Staples Design Tool, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Staples website. Locate the design section on the home page. Click on the option for creating custom prints. Select the type of print you need, such as posters. Choose the size of your poster from the available options. Upload your image by clicking the Upload button. Ensure that your file is in an accepted format, such as JPEG or PDF. Once your image is uploaded, you will see a preview on the screen. Adjust the design elements as needed using the provided tools. Add text if desired, using the Text tool. Choose your preferred fonts and colors to match your design. Review your poster for any errors or adjustments. When satisfied, proceed to the next step by clicking on Continue. Select the type of paper for your poster print. Review the print quality and pricing options presented. Choose the desired quantity for your order. Add any additional options, like framing or mounting. Double-check your order details for accuracy. Proceed to checkout by clicking on the Checkout button. Enter your shipping information if necessary. Choose your payment method and input the required details. Finally, place your order by clicking on the Place Order button. Receive confirmation of your order via email or on the screen. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.